How to link YouTube to Discord. Want to show off your YouTube channel on Discord or connect your Google account for better integration? I will walk you through how to link YouTube to Discord in just a few steps. Let's get into it. First things first, launch the Discord app on your phone or desktop and make sure you are logged in. Now, go to User Settings. Click or tap the gear icon next to your username at the bottom left corner of the desktop and bottom right on mobile. Scroll to the Connection tab in the sidebar or menu. Click or tap the YouTube icon. This will redirect you to the Google login page. Sign into the Google account linked to your YouTube channel and authorize Discord to connect with your account. Your YouTube is now connected to Discord. You can display your channel on your profile, and if you are a streamer, it's a great way to connect with your community. Tip: make sure to enable display on profile in the YouTube connection settings so your friends and community can see and visit your channel directly from your Discord profile. And that's how you link your YouTube account to Discord. Super easy and takes less than a minute. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.